When I heard about the wildflower meadow, I was delighted because I do love wildflowers. And we did advertise it. And not only the St. Mark's family turned up, with some of our relatives, but loads from the community came. The children really enjoying themselves running around, throwing the seeds about, and it was just a lovely day all round.
A lot of people here don't have access to open countryside, and we just felt it'd be wonderful to have something positive and beautiful that brought some biodiversity into this area.
It was just grassland beforehand, and now it's got so much potential, and hopefully it'll be attractive to wildlife and look nice from the road as well.
We're really pleased with the wildlife garden here at St. Martin's. 1,000 square metres have been done. We love the way it's growing now, it's all greened up, but we can't wait for the summer to see just all the colourful flowers and have the wildlife and the bees and the butterflies coming.
I come here to the art group particularly, but I was really quite pleased to see this new meadow being produced. Having seen the wildflowers in Rimrose Valley, so beautiful, and it's such a good use of this piece of land really, and a good start to lots of art projects that could happen in the future. Being involved with the environment is a really rich source of life really for everybody.
The church was built when I was 3, and we've been coming here ever since. And in those days, this was just rural. We're all farms and lots of wildflowers, which we both love, don't we?
Yes. The estate over the road and the second estate weren't built then, it was all just fields. People used to go pea picking, there were horses, and we used to just walk up the lanes at weekend, Saturday afternoon, and it was full of wildflowers. And in May, the May blossom came out, and the lanes were just full of May blossom, and it was just lovely to bring some of that back to our community.